Hello dear friends, this is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like, and also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions, thank you. In this video I want to show and tell you how to turn off notifications in the X app or in the Twitter app. It's the same app, you know about it, but how can you turn off notifications on your iPhone? The way is very simple. For this we need to go to the settings of our iPhone. Now here we go up, click on search, and here we just find that application just interested in that is our Twitter. Open it now. Here there is an item, notifications, click, and here we click allow notifications, and all with this method you can disable notifications. Or you can enable, and here you can disable some specific notifications that some still come, for example, lock screen or banners, or make them come without sound. But if you want to disable everything, click on the notifications and then you can disable. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. Nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.